Stick around until the end of the video to hear about our first subscriber giveaway. This morning we woke up at Skooliepalooza, which is, to my knowledge, the largest gatherings of schoolies, shuttle buses, coach buses that happens in the entire country, potentially even the world. This is our second year here. We came last year when we had our little green bus Saguaro, and it was so much fun. So we were excited to come back with our van. We're gonna do our best to show you around and give you a feel of what it's like to be here in case you wanna come. It's a free event that happens at the end of January in the Arizona desert near California. That's a cool bus.
I don't know who, someone brought a horse out here. It might seem like it's packed now, but I guarantee in the next few days, this is all gonna get filled out.
So at the very front, when you first drive in, you'll see this sign, and it'll point out the party section is behind me to my right, and the family or quiet section is over there to my left, which is where we parked. This board also is the best place if you want to offer any services or classes like a yoga class or free tea or ways to make friends. You can add that to this board, and then there's also a little map to help you get oriented when you come in.
And for those of you following the drama online, I think there's some confusion this year about whether the event was going to be paid or free. And there's a lot of back and forth. We didn't keep up with it too much, but it looked like it obviously landed on being a free event. And they're going to keep it that way for as long as they can.
Of course, with it being a free event, that means that there's no amenities provided, no water, bathrooms, trash service. So you got to pack it in, pack it out, and bring everything you need. So just out of the buses that have come in, I'm already recognizing a lot of them from the online community.
You think this is good?
That's perfect. That's a good looking van, Corey.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
All right, so it's been like 3 hours. We've not been very good with picking up the camera. It's tough with going around and meeting new people. It's not always fun to point a camera at a new friend. So I think we're gonna get a campfire started pretty soon. We got a nice sunset and the wind is just now starting to die down.
Yeah.
I'm so excited for this. I can already see all the campsites littered with campfires, and I just know every single one of them just making new friends, having fun, and Skooliepalooza is not even started yet.
Since we've been at Skooliepalooza, we've gotten super lazy about cooking meals, and this is the second night in a row where we've had just plain spaghetti. I'm not complaining though, because that gives us more time to hang out with people outside. Last night we were playing some games with friends. Tonight we've got a group of people doing a campfire, and I'm excited to have our spaghetti by a campfire. As lazy of a meal as that is, it's more fun that way. It's about 10 in the morning, we've got 50-mile-per-hour winds, and there's not a soul in sight. Everyone is holed up in their buses, tents are flying everywhere, dogs are struggling to keep their paws on the ground. It's brutal out here, James. Despite these harsh conditions, we still have a couple of brave souls rolling up. I'll keep you posted with any updates about this violent weather, but I think once the wind dies down, we're in for a good week. Ah!
So the wind has died down and it's actually been one whole day. It is now Tuesday. And we're kind of scrambling around because we're getting ready for our first potluck. We've invited everyone that we've talked to and a few people online as well.
We're making one of the few meals we actually know how to make, which is chicken taco soup, but there's no chicken.
Yeah, so it should be a crowd pleaser. And
Vegan,
it's on,
vegetarian.
yeah,
it's fun.
The whole thing.
Yeah.
And it's on Tuesday, so we can say it's a Taco Bowl Tuesday potluck.
I'm sure we're the only people to have that idea. We might have got a little overboard. We have not washed this pot in a while, so I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of soap and water before we make food to give other people. All right, you're probably gonna have to help me turn this thing on. So if you have ever wondered what is in our chicken taco soup, it's pinto beans, black beans, plain corn, and then this mild diced tomatoes with green chiles. We just mix it all up together and I add a little bit of taco seasoning, and that's pretty much it. We'll serve it over rice and put whatever toppings we feel like doing. So that's what we're doing tonight.
Should I light it?
Yes, please. Thank you. I don't actually know how many batches I'll be able to fit in.
No, it's 3.
Is that how you do it?
Get it? You just gotta, no, you're righty-tighty.
What?
There it
Oh, okay.
is. It didn't burn, right?
We'll see. I think it's, wow, that's the hottest I've ever made it. Oh, I think right here would probably be.
Oh, I am so sorry. Yeah. Just call me Jay.
I'm a little nervous to see what people think about this because I went to go add the seasoning and I guess my hand slipped. I added more than twice what I intended to. So no one said anything, but they might just be really polite.
Bring anything? It's
Oh,
thanks, guys.
yes.
The rice to be a little bit more.
Feel free to come back for seconds. We've got plenty. So everyone is either very polite or they really enjoyed the soup because I'm working on making a second batch because we ate the whole first one. So this is a meal Jimmy and I eat on average every other day. So it's been fun to share with people who have watched our videos.
Oh God. We got a stowaway.
We met the owner of the cat and apparently his name is Mickey Meows.
You gotta get out, buddy. Oh my gosh.
So we're obviously doing a really good job of filming at Skooliepalooza. I think we pick up the camera for like 20 minutes a day and then that's just what you get to see for that day. So for today's 20 minutes, we are heading to a concert that is held by Arbor Season.
So we've got a quick break now until another concert starts in an hour, so we're gonna rush back to the van and try to get something to eat.
Since we're in the desert, it gets really, really cold at night. So we're gonna go get a couple layers, get some food, and then come back out for like the dark parties.
The dark parties.
That sounds weird.
The nighttime parties.
The night, yeah. Thank you for the rice. There's so much leftover rice from the potluck last night that I don't think we're gonna have to cook anything for a week.
These are honestly better than the taco bowls we normally make. We're using everyone's leftovers that didn't take it home, and it's really good.
I'm so excited for this. This looks awesome.
Oh, curb it more? I wasn't flexing hard enough.
There you go.
Oh, there we go.
Nice.
Little beaches dot to it.
Yeah.
Do like,
We'll do a full.
You gotta do a good pose. I love it. I can see you really good.
Yeah.
We gotta get the light. You
I
can't
like
cover
it. All right, I got it.
all right, nice.
Good
Thank
shit.
you.
Good shit. Hey, have fun. Hell yeah.
We came back from the music a little earlier than usual, and so I'm just sitting in the van, like, kind of bumping to it. I can still hear it, but it's like quiet enough to where we can sleep.
We're kind of just taking it slow today. It's Wednesday, which is almost halfway through Skooliepalooza. Is that right?
It's close. It feels like halfway.
Yeah, so
It feels like a Wednesday.
the music was nice tonight, but we've been going almost every night. So we're getting a little tired tonight. I think it's catching up to us. So I think we're probably gonna go to bed a little early today. I mean, it's still almost 11 p.m., so.
Yeah, we can't party for 10 days straight. We'll hurt ourselves.
We're trying, but we're obviously not making it. So we're gonna get some sleep tonight. We'll wake up and then maybe walk around, check out some of the buses. We've been doing that a little bit this week, but we haven't really had a good chance to bring you guys along. So maybe we'll bring the camera and show you some of the cool looking buses. All right, so I think today is going to be the last day we really explore around Skooliepalooza. We were supposed to do this yesterday, but we were just so kind of burnt out from the week that we just kind of took the day off. We did get to explore a little bit on our bicycles, but we didn't really get to talk to too many people. There is a couple more days left of Skooliepalooza, but it's really thinning out here, and so I think it might be coming to an end soon.
We don't want to miss our opportunity to show you guys what some of the buses actually look like on the inside, because we've seen some of them without the camera, and they're all really, really cool. So the first build we were going to check out was this aggressively cool conversion that is easily one of the most unique vehicles at Skooliepalooza this year. And that's really saying something. This tiny home is built inside a 1998 military truck and has more than everything you would need for off-grid overlanding. So up next, this full-length school bus is owned by our friends Brad and Tiffany, who travel full-time with their 2 sons. They've added so many unique and homey touches, and we honestly can't decide on which part is our favorite. We're torn between these lockers that match the school bus theme while providing some extra storage, and the porthole on the bottom bunk bed that gives extra airflow and just looks really cool. Also on the way out, check out how cool their stairs are. So this bus behind me belongs to Mela and Dawn. We actually met them on our first night at Skooliepalooza, but we have not made it to see their bus yet.
Mela and Dawn built out this MCI coach bus with all the bells and whistles for full-time travel. The kitchen is about the size of our whole van. They have 2,700 watts of solar, and they actually put in a televator. And despite being in one of the most impressive buses we've ever seen, Natalie's favorite part is not much of a surprise.
I love their cats.
Which reminds me, the bus actually has a little door that leads down to a secret cats-only area inside the luggage bay under the bus. Which, of course, comes in handy when people like us are checking out their cool home.
Same thing.
Don't click away, we're giving out some free stuff. To celebrate a couple of upcoming subscriber milestones, Jimmy and I want to give away 200 custom Jimmy and Natalie stickers to you for free. This design is brand new and it features both our old bus Saguaro and our new van Pancake. So to enter, all you need to do is fill out the form that can be found in the description of this video or on our Instagram. We'll be selecting the first 100 winners once we reach 35,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we'll select an additional 100 winners once we reach 40,000. There is no requirement to enter. You don't even have to be subscribed or following us, although that would help us reach these milestones faster. It is completely free to enter and to win. We just want to thank you for supporting our journey. In addition to these 200 stickers, if you're on our Patreon, we will also be giving every patron a free sticker. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye!